Are you ready to embark on a fun and exciting journey as you further your studies? Look no further than Yugo Catherine House Portsmouth. Discover a range of ensuite rooms and studios, each offering ample space for you to express your true self. All the room here comes fully equipped with a cushy bed, dedicated study nook for those academic pursuits, and ample storage. Plus, enjoy the convenience of your own squeaky clean ensuite shower room. Take advantage of the games area and on-site laundry facilities to make daily life a breeze. Plus, enjoy free high-speed internet for streaming your favorite shows. Located close to the University of Portsmouth, this residence is bustling with students. The neighborhood offers a variety of dining options, including Bada Mexicali Portsmouth and Natty's Jerk restaurants, providing a taste of cuisines from around the world. Hop on a bus from the City Shops South Bus Stop for convenient citywide travel. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to embark on your Portsmouth journey. Jump over to amberstudent.com today and let's make Yugo Catherine House your gateway to an unforgettable student life.